Deep cleaning and battery replacement on HP Pavilion 14 CE1042TX laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Jerica, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. A full deep cleaning and battery replacement service were carried out on the HP Pavilion 14 CE1042TX laptop to restore optimal performance, cooling efficiency, and reliable battery life. The laptop was experiencing increased operating temperatures caused by dust accumulation inside the cooling system, along with poor battery performance due to cell degradation. The procedure began with the careful disassembly of the unit to access the internal hardware. All dust and debris were removed from the fan, heatsink, ventilation areas, and motherboard using compressed air, anti-static brushes, and precision cleaning tools. The old thermal paste on the CPU was removed and replaced with a fresh, high-quality thermal compound to enhance heat dissipation and maintain stable temperatures during operation. After the cleaning process, attention was shifted to the battery replacement. The old, worn-out battery was removed from its compartment and replaced with a new, compatible lithium-ion battery. The replacement was installed securely, ensuring proper power delivery and stable charging functionality. Once reassembled, the laptop underwent rigorous testing to ensure the fan was running smoothly, temperatures were within safe limits, and the new battery was charging properly and providing extended usage time. The service successfully restored the HP Pavilion 14 CE1042TX laptop's cooling efficiency, portable power reliability, and overall performance, helping to extend the device's lifespan and maintain its stability for future use. Deep cleaning and battery replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.